Hey everyone, this is Kayye from the rAVe agency, and I'm going to do an unboxing of the Newline Flex, which is a personal UCC system. So let's check it out. Let's turn it over here. Let's see what this is. Aren't you curious? What is inside the box? What is inside this box? Foam. All right, pull out the foam. We see it's kind of like a monitor, a little bit like a monitor here. So let's pull this out and let's see what it looks like. Let's see this little baby here. Literally the first time I've ever opened it, so got a little bit of packing material here. I wanted this to be an actual unboxing, not a fake unboxing where I had unboxed it first and then came back and unboxed it again later. So here is the Newline Flex. So what is the Newline Flex? The Newline Flex is a personal UCC station, basically. It's a Windows 10 PC. It's a 27-inch touch display. It has an echo cancellation microphone and speaker bar. It has USB. It's USB powered, USB control, plug and play, and it also has a camera. So let's talk about how that actually works. I'm going to unpack this here. We are literally doing this unboxing in kind of real time here. This is kind of an interesting little camera. There you go. Plugs in right into the top. Connectivity is USB-C. Right? And what's cool about it is you get the ability to adjust the tilt of the camera. The reason why they have that ability is kind of interesting because you have the ability to actually adjust the tilt of the display itself. So when you're setting it up on your desk, you can actually tilt the display to be more like almost like a tabletop display in a way, or work on it like an architect would draw on something. Or you can raise it up and have it more like a desktop monitor. In fact, you can plug this into a computer like a laptop or a Mac or PC and make it a second monitor. But it's designed specifically to be a personal UCC station. So I'm going to plug it all up and let's take a look at how it operates. Turn it on. There it goes. It's booting up. All right, we're almost done. I want to connect everything I want to connect to it. I'm a MacBook Pro user, so I'm going to connect my MacBook. But if you're a Windows or Android user, you are in luck because the Newline Flex has something kind of unique. It has a smart display module here on the side that allows you to connect up a Windows or embed a Windows or Android-based computer. Of course, you can't do that with a Mac, and I'm a Mac user. So I'm going to use USB-C, which is the other way to connect to it. And of course, USB-C carries video, audio control, everything you need. So I'm going to connect USB-C to my MacBook here. And all I'm going to do is connect it up, give it a second to calibrate and sync. And Newline built their own touch driver for this. The first thing you're going to want to do is calibrate that touch driver. So you're going to click this little hand right here, and a little word calibration will come up. And they give you 5 calibration points on the screen. You just hold your finger down until each calibration point has met the outer circle area. And 4, 5. Now I've calibrated and I have all my touch working. So this adds two-way touch as a personal UCC device. Remember, this is for your home. You can use this as to gain a tremendous amount of real estate, but turn your Mac computer into a touch computer. So now I can launch Zoom. Now I have my UCC device up there. Of course, I can launch a browser as well. Hey, it's moved over here, so I'm going to move it back using my finger. You can, of course, use a stylus. It does come with a stylus, but this allows you to save the real estate from your laptop to be used for whatever you're using for on a daily basis, but have an external monitor that is your dedicated UCC device, turning it into a UCC appliance. Remember, this comes included with a camera. Of course, now, depending on the angle you want to put it at, you can adjust this camera as you move it. It comes with a mic array, comes with speakers, comes with everything. I'm actually pretty impressed. I think I might keep this.